Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. So, this is the chapter number 3 of class 9, Atoms and Molecules. We are discussing today what is atom. So, an atom is the smallest particle of an element. Smallest particle of an element. Smallest means most smaller, which can take part in a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction. So you can say the atom. So you can say the atom of an element. Atom of most of elements have no pre-existence. No pre-existence. Have no pre-existence. However, they exist in the combined state as molecules or ions. The atoms of noble gases only have pre-existence. Noble gases have only pre-existence. Second part is the characteristics of atom. There are few characteristics of atom. First, all atoms of a given elements are similar, but they are differ from atom of other element. For example, all atoms of sodium are similar, but they are different from those of chlorine. Second one, each atom of an element shows all the properties of the element. Each atom of sodium shows the properties of sodium. So, this is all about the atoms and molecules. Let us understand the sizes of atom. What are the size of atom? So, let us discuss the size of atom. So, my dear student, let us understand the size of atom. How can you define the size of atom? What are the relative sizes of atom? So in this section we are going to understand the size of atom. The size of atom. So my dear student, let us understand the size of atom. Size of an atom. In this section we are going to understand the size of atom. So my dear student, an atom is extremely tiny spherical particle. An atom is extremely tiny spherical particle. Tiny spherical particle which cannot be seen by an ordinary microscope. Which cannot be seen by ordinary microscope. The diameter of an atom is about the diameter of an atom is about 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. An atom is so small, an atom is so small that even an aggregate of that even an aggregate
उसमें आवाज नहीं जाए
of several thousand atoms
अभी कितने हो रहा
हो रहा है thousand atom cannot be seen. Atoms cannot be seen. How small an atom is can vary. How small an atom is can very well be understood by the following. Understood by the following Example. Example. If we take 1 teaspoonful of salt of salt and engage all the people of the world to count the number of of atom present in this sample. In this sample. In this sample. Without any pause and at the rate of an atom. Without any pause and at the rate of one atom and at the rate of one atom per second it will take them about them about 4 million years to finish the job. However, scanning electron microscope. However, scanning electron microscope SEM and electron tunneling microscope SEM and electron tunneling microscope ETM have been developed which can magnify the image of an object by million times. The microscope have helped scientists study the structure and properties of individual atoms. So my dear student, let us understand the size of atom. An atom is extremely tiny spherical particle which cannot be seen by ordinary microscope. The diameter of an atom is about 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. An atom is so small that even an aggregate of several thousand atoms cannot be seen. How small an atom is can be very well understood by the following examples. If we take 1 teaspoonful of salt, NaCl, and engage all the people of the world to count the number of atoms present in this sample without any pause and at the rate of 1 atom per second, it will take them about 4 million years to finish the job. So how it is impossible to count the atoms. However, the scanning electron microscope SEM and electron tunneling microscope ETM have been developed which can magnify the image of an object by million times. The microscope have helped scientists to study the structure and properties of individual atoms. So these are the things all about the today video. Thank you for watching my video. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Today we discuss already what is atom, what are the characteristics of atom and what are the sizes of atom. So the relative sizes of atoms are few. The relative sizes of atoms. There are few relative sizes. In the topic the size of atom, there are few relative sizes of atom. So let us understand. The relative sizes of atom. The relative sizes of atom. So let us understand, my dear student, the relative sizes of atom. Relative sizes. So how can you radii in meter? In meter, and you can take the example of it. So what are the relative sizes of atom? Relative sizes. So let us take the example radii in meter, and the few examples are there also. 10 to the power minus 10. Atom of hydrogen. Atom of hydrogen H. 10 to the power minus 9. Molecule of water. Water. 10 to the power 8. Molecule of hemoglobin. Molecule of globin. 10 to the power of 4 grain of sand. Ten to the power minus 2 and 10 to the power minus 1, that is the watermelon. So you can understand this type of atoms and molecule sizes as the relative sizes of atoms. So let us understand this thing in a simple way. The radii in meter and the examples. 10 to the power minus 10 the atoms of hydrogen H. 10 to the power minus 9 the molecule of water H2O. 10 to the power 8 the molecule of hemoglobin. 10 to the power minus 4 grain of sand. 10 to the power minus 2 and 10 to the power 1, that is a watermelon. So this is all about the today video. Thank you for watching my video. This is Suraj Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel Chemistry Wala Anand sir. Don't skip the video. Go throughout the all video. We already discussed today what is atom, characteristics of atom, sizes of atom and the relative sizes. Thank you all of you. Take care. Give more views, like and share my channel. Also subscribe it. Share to more and more students of class 9. Thank you all of you. Take care.